Today I'm going to show you how to make these Discord videos where if you click play on them, it'll pop up with a Windows Defender notification saying you have a virus. Now let me start off by saying you don't have a virus. This is completely safe, it's not harmful, that's why I have a tutorial on it. So to start off, we want to go to the first link in the description and we need to get Notepad++. So just click on the big green download button. Should have the installer. We want to install Notepad. Press yes, okay, next, I agree, next, install. Done. It's that easy. Then click finish and it should pop up with Notepad++. Next, we need to press the Windows key and type in Windows Security and press enter. Then we want to click on Virus and Threat Protection, go to Manage Settings and turn off Real-Time Protection. We're doing this because when we put the virus in the Discord video, Windows is going to freak out and try to delete the video, which makes things really painful. However, if you do leave this video and you forget to kind of watch towards the end part, make sure you turn this back on so you don't have your computer compromised at some point. Anyways, once that's done, what you need to do is just download a video. In this case, I have a WebM and an MP4 file. I'm going to right click on the MP4 first, go to edit with Notepad++, and it should pop up with all this garbage. What you need to do next is there will be a second link in the description. It's basically going to have this code. It might just be the code directly in the description. I don't know if YouTube will allow that, but what you need to do is just copy all this code, so Control-C, then go to your Notepad++ that has your video file open, and we want to scroll down to the very bottom. Then what we want to do is just basically make sure we're at the end of this line, so just press end. Then we need to press enter, and we should have a new line with no characters, and we want to paste in that code that we copied. Then when we do that, we want to click on save. Now I'm just going to repeat the same process for WebM. And now we have two files that are viruses. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename them to virus at the front, so you know it's a virus. And when I mean virus, I mean fake virus. This really won't do any harm. Now what we're going to do is we're going to upload them to Discord. So I'm going to upload both of them and press enter. And once again, Windows Defender is still off because if you have it on, it'll automatically take these videos away and it'll be a complete disaster. But now that these videos are uploaded, what we can do is delete them out of our downloads, then go back to your Windows Defender, turn on real-time protection. Now that Windows Security is turned back on, if I click play on a video, you'll notice I have the pop-up of, virus and threat protection. A threat is found. And this works with the WebM as well. Just make sure you close that virus notification. Click play on the WebM. The virus notification pops up again. So that's how you get it so your videos have, all this virus stuff going on. Now, if you're one of the people who have received this virus notification and you want to figure out how do I turn this off because it's so annoying, well, what you need to do is press the Windows key, type in Windows Security and press enter. Then we need to go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then we want to click on Manage Settings for Virus and Threat Protection settings. Then we want to scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Then click on Yes. Then what we need to do is we need to add an exclusion. So click on Add an Exclusion folder. Then what we want to do is go up to this bar up here, just double click on it, then clear out desktop or whatever, and we want to type in %appdata%, just as if we're trying to install a Minecraft mod back in the day. Press enter and it should take you to your roaming folder. We want to go to Discord. Now, if you have Discord Canary or Discord PTB, then you will need to repeat this process for each of those clients. We want to click on Discord, then click on cache and click select folder. And now it should have your cache folder as an exclusion. So yeah, that should be it. Now, just once again, make sure you do it for every single client. If you have multiple clients, so I have PTB and Canary on here, so I made sure that the cache is blocked on each one of those. And now that it's excluded, if I click play on the video, I'm going to refresh Discord, so we're 100% starting from scratch. If I click on play on the video, guess what? It just plays the video, and now you can jam out to the best music on planet Earth. And the best video. So anyways, that's the video. That's how you turn a video into a virus video just to piss off people, I guess. I don't know. Have fun. Don't abuse it. I go now, okay? Bye-bye. Till another time. Mwah.